We have Shivangi and Arman with us. So he is Arman and she is Shivangi and I am Miss Divya. So tell me the position of Arman. Arman is on first position. I am on second position and Shivangi is on third position, right? So he is on the first position, I am on the second, and she is on the third position, right? If I interchange their position, now she is on first position. Earlier she was on the third position and now she is on the first position. Arman was on first position and now he is on third position. See, if I interchange them, there is a change in their position, right? But tell me, is there any change on their names? Still she is Shivangi and still he is Arman. Their names are same, right? So same in the case. Thank you Shivangi, thank you Arman, please go. So in the same way, if I talk about the place value and the face value remains always same. As in this activity, Shivangi was Shivangi irrespective of its position and Arman is Arman, only the position is changed. So same in case of place value and face value. First of all, I am telling you face value. Face value means FV. Okay? Face value means FV. So it remains unchanged. Or you can say face value is the number name of that digit, or you can say name of the digit. See, what is the name of this digit? The name of this digit is 3. So the face value of this will be 3. So face value means the name of the digit. Face value means the name of the digit. One more example I am giving you. See, I am Miss Divya. Today I am looking like Miss Divya, है ना? Yesterday also I was looking like Miss Divya. Tomorrow also I will look Miss Divya only. Or is it possible that yesterday I was looking like Kunal and tomorrow I will look like Karthik and day after tomorrow I will look like Sapna? Is it possible? Every day my face will remain same now, or every day my face will change? No, there will no change, right? So every day my face will remain same. So same here also, face value of the number will be that number only. There is no change. The number itself, okay? But now coming on the place value, that is PV. Place value is the position of that number. Suppose the number is 8246. The number is 8246. Okay? Here you need to find out place value of 2. So here you have to find out the place value of 2. So how you will find out the place value? Place value, it's determined by its position. Place value is determined by its position. Now you need to check its position. So this is on the ones place. We have already done this ones, tens, 100, 1000. So outside you will write this according to Indian numeration Easy? I'll tell you how to find place value by using a trick. We all like shortcuts, right? We like shortcuts. So I'm telling you how to find place value by using shortcut. See, for example, here I have to find out place value of 7. First method, first of all I will write the place value upside, means place value chart upside according to Indian, and then I will come to know the place value of 7 here. Second method, by using shortcut. Here I need to find place value of 7. So write 7 here as it is. Now count the number of digits after 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits are there after 7? After 7 there are 4 digits. So write 4 zeros after 7. How many zeros after 7? 4, because there are 4 digits after 7. So easy na? So this is the face value and this is the place value. Beta, every number has 2 values. One is face and one is place. Face value of the number is the number itself, and the place value means which is determined by its position. Is it clear to all? Now we are doing successor and predecessor. So what is successor and what is predecessor? Successor. Successor means given number plus 1. Successor means given number plus 1, or you can say the next number. What is successor? Next number, or you can say given number plus 1. For example, what is successor of 49? Successor of 49 is 50. Successor of 49 is 50. Successor of 23 is 24. Because given number is 23 and I have to find successor. So add 1 in 23, you will get 24. Clear? Now coming on to predecessor. Predecessor means the previous number. Predecessor means the previous number, or you can say given number minus 1. Given number minus 1. So predecessor is given number minus 1. Now what is the predecessor of 42? What is the predecessor of 42? It's 41. Because if you will subtract 1 from 42, your answer is 41. So predecessor means the previous number, or you can say given number minus 1. And successor means the next number, means given number plus 1. Clear everyone? So I hope you know all these 4 points now. Thank you everyone.